Morning, Shiva.
So,
Good.
morning.
So, yeah. Uh, I wish to show you something new today. Okay. This is
Yes, yes,
nothing related to Python. Okay. We will discuss
yes,
about
yes.
Python also a bit later. But I felt that this is important. Okay. In building a resume, I came across
Okay.
a post in LinkedIn. Okay, that helped me
Yes, sir.
build a resume. Okay, so I will shortly share you my screen, and then we can work on that. Okay, so
Okay.
let me share my screen. One moment, please hold on.
Okay.
You're seeing my screen, Shiva? Is it visible, clear? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Okay, the screen is clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. So yesterday I was browsing different things on LinkedIn, and accidentally I had one post that I came across, and it showed me a way to create a resume. We can also try with your profile also. We can also enter
Yes.
similar details. Okay.
Yes.
Simple thing that I have done, I will show you what I have done. So the moment I have gone into the post, so it said that, okay, give the text. Okay, this is the text that I have given. Okay, so build a resume for me in LaTeX. So it should not be called as LaTeX. Okay, it should be called as LaTeX. Okay,
Okay.
and I will also share you what LaTeX is. Okay, so one moment, please hold on. Yeah. Okay, so this is what LaTeX is, or LaTeX is. Okay. So this you can read this later. I am actually sharing this in our group so that others also can read and understand what LaTeX is. Okay. And the advantage that I see with LaTeX, because I have explored it many years back. Okay.
Yes.
So LaTeX will help us print the document exactly as we see on the screen. Okay, it is also kind of a formatting language, a document formatter that you can say. Okay, and it has also, similar to your web page design, you use HTML, body, all that stuff, right? Your header lines are there, all that stuff. Similar to that, you have this LaTeX language also, where you can learn, and it is not mandatory because there are many editors that have come that will give you the LaTeX code depending on the generation that you do. That means to say you can make use of ChatGPT. Okay, that I will show you, and we can simply go and hit it. Let it generate the LaTeX code. So this is what I have done. So I've advised the ChatGPT that I've requested the ChatGPT that build a resume for me in LaTeX format, basically. Okay, using an appropriate template. So template and all, you should have experience in these words, in your CSS style sheets. Everything is there in web designing, right? So similar to
Yes,
that,
sir.
not exact meaning of that, but much similar to what CSS is. Okay. And then I said, my name is so and so. I have completed my MSc in so and so year, and then I am looking for some job. I have taken an example of a data science job here, and then I said I have I have also completed my, in machine learning, I have completed about two to three projects, and so
Okay.
that is how it is. Okay, and yeah, it has given me some code. Let me just show you what that code is, and yeah, we will progress on that. So then it said, surely I can help you with the below sample LaTeX code, okay, for your resume. Okay, resume
Okay.
using the awesome CV template. So that is the template that it has selected. Okay,
Yes,
there
sir.
is a template called awesome CV template, tailored to your
Yes,
provided
sir.
information. Okay, that explanation and all, I will actually share it with you later. Okay, this is the first cut. That means the initially I have written one request into its message, and then I
Okay.
got this. So I was not satisfied completely with this. Then I said some grammatical mistakes are there. Let me be more relevant. Then I said this. Okay, build a resume,
Okay.
same, using appropriate template, same. I have removed few portions. Actually, my MSc
Yeah.
was in operations research and statistical quality control. I have removed that. I have just
Yeah.
mentioned it as MSc. Okay. And I
Okay.
have made few changes to the language. Okay. Then
Okay,
it
sir.
generated this code basically. Okay.
Yeah.
So it says, I am still using awesome template kind of stuff. Sure, here is a LaTeX template for your resume. Okay, it has created a new
Okay.
template for me, and this is the
Okay, sir.
entire code. Okay, I will even share this code in our group in a form of a notepad. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so this is the complete code, and it normally LaTeX file are given a .tex tex as a extension, file extension. Normally you have seen text files will have .txt, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
So Python files, what does
Text
they
file.
have? Python, what does they
Dot
have?
py. Dot
Exactly,
py, sir.
correct. Awesome. So these are few very silly things, but we have to remember that. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
that is how I generated this, and then simply I copied. Okay. So if you go to the beginning of the message shared by ChatGPT, you have copy code, right?
Okay.
So this copy code, I have clicked on that, and then I moved to uh, another uh, screen where, yeah, this is the application that is available on web. Okay, I will also share this in the link, our this link in the group. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so I have pasted this entire thing is copied from there. Okay, this entire stuff is copied from our chat GPT. Okay, and this is the format I got. I received this format. Do you
Okay,
see
sir.
this? Okay, simple one pager it has given me. Okay.
Okay.
So since I have given, from 2010, it has given some modifications have to be done, definitely. But I found
Okay, sir.
that this is useful, and the editing that you can do it here. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
you have to identify where your name is, where your address is. Suppose this is the name, right? Huge Amrit Kumar Sala. This is my name, and then there is an address, phone number, email ID, right? So let
Yes,
us
sir.
let us let us change this and see. So this is 609. Then I say Tower E, then TBEL city. Uh, that's it, and Hyderabad. Okay. Then I give my pin code. Let us assume 50009. Okay. And then this is my phone number. It will give some sample phone numbers. See, the moment I am changing it, it gets changed here. If you can clearly observe,
Yes.
so it gets automatically changed. Now look at the
Sir,
phone
is
number.
not stealing, sir. Your typing is not stealing.
Typing is not shown. Are you able
Not
to?
shown, sir.
Is it clear now? Is it she? Are
Ah,
you able?
clear, sir. Latest temporary for your resume.
Okay,
Clear.
okay, okay. So now, what I
Yours.
would want to do you is concentrate here. Okay. this phone number. Concentrate here. Okay. Phone number, actually what is happening is here there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, correct? I am changing in the left side of it. Okay. I am not changing in the right side. So here what I'll type is I'll highlight this. Are you able to see the highlighting?
No, sir. No, sir.
You are not.
Idlings. Sir, percentage section, set section, title formatting. That same, sir.
Section contact information. That is what you are saying.
Section title formatting. Only I see.
Section title formatting. That. Oh, okay. Uh, you are
Okay,
seeing
sir.
it now?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No, sir.
So let me reshare the screen once again. Okay. I will just
Okay, sir.
stop the screen sharing, and advanced sharing option. One partner host. All participants. 1 minute. Yeah. All participants. All participants. Okay. How many participants can share? Multiple participants can share. Okay. And now I say you are able to see now, Shiva?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now is it moving? The screen
Moving, sir.
moving?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So earlier what I have done is I have edited this portion, this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Highlighted
609.
portion. Yeah, 609 tower E, all that. Now
Yes, sir.
watch when I change this number, it automatically gets changed here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let me place my number +91 9398472594. So that's my number. So and then it gets changed. Okay. So it says compiling. Have you seen that? Compiling.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And then
Recompiling. Okay.
now it gets changed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So similar to that, you can change whatever you want. Okay.
Okay.
So that's how beautiful it is. Okay. So yeah, I think you have to just check and see the usefulness of this resume building. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
then I can also change the email ID. Like,
Example.com.
yeah,
Okay, sir.
example.com is there. Mine is marekdean.work. Okay. So it once again
Yes, sir.
compiles. Everything is automatically done. You don't need to do anything in the right side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then this is how. Now I think you got the example, right? So it
Yes,
says
sir.
when you see in the right side portion of the screen, then you
Yes.
can see that MSc in data science it has placed, right? That is not correct. So I will change
Yes, sir.
something else later. Okay, but
Okay, sir.
primarily I get the format, a template. Okay, so that I can work on that template. So that is how easy it is. Okay. And yeah, this I found to be useful, and experience also it has given. Did you see founder
Yes, sir.
CEO new
Founder,
startup
KCAO,
company?
startup
Yeah,
name.
yeah, 2010 to present. But later on, what I will do is I will maintain multiple sections. That's it. I copy this,
Oh,
paste it, and
okay, sir.
then I have experience from 1991, so I can place that, and I can simply push it onto the code. That's it. Everything is done.
Oh,
This is a
okay.
wonderful tool. I think you should all use it, because we are lacking in building profile. Chandu Garu has really identified our weaknesses, and he has frankly conveyed the message. That is what we discussed yesterday in the meeting. Okay. So yeah, let us all interact together, and then let us see where it goes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that is one portion, and yeah, this is my chart GPT that I have given you. I will share the details also. Then what else? Yeah, let me stop sharing it, and Yeah, there are a few more people in our group now. I think Harshita is there. Swarna Jyoti is there. Yeah. So let us see if there are more number of people also. That's okay. And you can all have your questions. No problem on that. Um, uh, Harshita and Swarna, basically myself and Shiva, we were discussing on how to prepare a resume using two different applications, I would say. So I will share those details in the group. The links, I will share the details. Okay, you can go through them. In case if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, if you want me to repeat it, I can quickly repeat it. Harshita and Swarna, what do you want me to do? Please.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Do you want me to repeat that or did you already go through?
Repeat, sir.
Repeat, huh? Okay, okay. Quickly, I'll repeat. See, yesterday I was on LinkedIn. I was searching for something else, but I found this to be very useful. Our task, we have to complete few tasks, right? That are given by Chandu Garu. So towards that, what I have done is I searched for something that is very relevant for us at this point in time. Okay, let me share the screen once again and show you what it is all about. Okay, so screen share. Yeah, everyone is able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir.
So what I have done is basically I have my chat GPT. I am very sure that all of you have chat GPT. Okay, in chat GPT, what I have done is I have requested via a message saying that build a resume in LaTeX format. LaTeX is a technology, is a document, we can format the documents. That is what LaTeX does. Okay. And yes, if we are trying to use LaTeX, so primarily the suggestion given by the tutorial is, okay, enter this entire message. So I have copied that message in the LinkedIn, pasted it here, and I have made some changes to that. Okay, this was my first message to ChatGPT. So build a resume, and then I said, my name is so and so, MSc so and so, and I am, I have so many projects. I have given sample projects to test how it works. Okay, so I have said 2 to 3 machine learning projects I have completed, and now I have a startup with, IIoT and UAV. So that is what I have given. I was not satisfied with the first cut. Okay, it has given me some template, but I was not satisfied. Then I changed the search text to something more relevant. So this was my search text. So build a resume, same, using my name, same. I have removed MSc OR and SQC here. Okay, I placed only MSc, that's it, from so and so university. And I have restructured the sentence slightly
Oh,
with the help of Grammarly. So Grammarly helps me with the spelling mistakes, and it corrects the spelling mistakes, and it also corrects the grammar. So that is what I have used, and I have entered this. Then I got a beautiful result. So this is the result that I have got. Okay, so LaTeX, if you wanted to understand about LaTeX, there is a you know uh, yeah, there is a website which gives you all the detail. So it says you cannot call it as LaTeX, you have to call it as LaTeX. Okay, this is a document preparation system, and it is something similar to your HTML web page design. You do HTML, right? HTML tags you write, HTML head, body, then your header 1, header 2, all that. So similar to that, this is LaTeX language. Okay, so you have to start like this. Okay, this is the format that he has given. So I have copied that code. Okay, then I moved to another website. Let me just check that website. Yeah, this one, overleaf.com. Okay, and what I have done is I have pasted that here. Of course, before you both of you guys joined, it was giving some other results, but I changed a few sentences to match to my needs. So I have changed this line. I have changed this one also. So earlier it has given me some sample data, and you can observe that easily when you go to LaTeX. So this is what it has given. So let us observe the sample data. So sample data, it has taken Amrit Kumar Sala, no problem on that. So it has given me some other address. So this is where I have modified. Got it? Is it clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have made that changes, and the result is automatically there. Towards your left side is left pane, you have the code, LaTeX code, and right pane it is the resume. So one page resume has come. I wanted to modify, I can modify now. Okay, so MSc in data science it has given, that is wrong actually. So are you seeing what I am highlighting?
Yes.
Yeah, others, are you seeing what I am highlighting? I am highlighting data science.
MSc in data science.
Correct. So here also in MSc data science, that is a wrong information actually. Okay. So I cannot change the right side. So I say OR and SQC. The moment I say I edit this, then it is
Yes.
compiling. It will recompile, compile, and then it will place.
Okay.
Yeah, this one here. Now it got changed. Okay.
Oh.
Then similarly, I can change this. So data analysis and virtualization, you can do whatever you would want. Okay. So this makes
Yes,
our life very simple. Okay. So towards the end of this session, what I will try to do is I will try to paste these links. Okay. In the group. Okay. So
Okay.
then you can take care of that. Okay, and prepare your
Okay.
resumes similar to this. Okay, then let us share these resumes with Chandugar and see
Okay.
what his suggestions are. Okay, so normally LaTeX is used in advanced printing technology enterprises. So there are many printers, right? If you want to print a brochure, if you want to print let us assume I have one. Let me take this example. So this is uh, uh, this is one beautiful thing. Are you able to see this book that I'm holding? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So this book, right? So this is a BNI grant book. I received it very recently, 15th August. I was there. So see how neatly it has been designed. Okay. Most of the designing companies, if they are to print this book, what will happen is if they design in another softwares like Word, Photoshop, or there is PageMaker, all these softwares are used. CorelDRAW is there. Maybe there may be chances that if he is placing this picture here, he may or may not find this picture here. It may be adjusted here. Okay, so the entire framework will get disturbed. Okay, but LaTeX, nothing. If he has designed this structure, let us assume he has designed this in LaTeX, not even a single dot gets changed. So that is the power of LaTeX. Okay, and very high quality text is printed. Now you got it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got
Okay.
it.
So yeah, this is what the LaTeX can do for you. This is what LaTeX can do for you. So I'll share it. Basically, time and again I'll tell this. I have a free version of Zoom. So I'm trying to get the licensed version also very soon. Yeah, I have requested Dr. Samatam Ramana Mahesh Garu also to share me the licensed version, credentials. Most probably I will receive it today. So the moment I receive it, then we can even conduct lengthier sessions. Okay. So I am just stopping the share. Yeah, Harshita, Vishnu, Swarna, if you have any questions on this, yeah, you're always welcome. If you have any doubts, please get it clarified. Otherwise, I will share the details with you and you can experiment. And if you have any doubts, you're uh, you're requested to get back to me and I can clarify the doubts. Okay. Now coming back to Python, right? So let us go quickly over there. Yeah, Shiva, do you have any issues? Similarly, Harshita, you had some issues. Swarna, do you have any issues? Please let me know.
Sir,
Sir,
coding.
Yeah. Harshita, please go ahead. One by one, we will go. Harshita.
Okay.
Hello, Harshita. There?
Sir.
Yeah. Please go ahead. Please let me know. If you have any doubts.
అంటే నాకు సి చెప్పండి సార్ ఏం అర్థం కావట్లేదు బేసిక్స్.
Okay, you are not understanding C, correct?
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay. So what is the compiler that you are trying to use? C compiler is there, right?
నో సార్ అసలు సి చేయలేదు సార్ నేను.
Okay. అసలు స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదా?
చేయలేదు సార్.
ఓకే. సరే, నేను కొన్ని సజెషన్స్ చేస్తాను. See, Harshita, you have to communicate in English. Start communicating in English. Okay? Telugu, we can all talk, we can all understand. But ultimately, from engineering itself, you are in second year or first year?
ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సార్.
First year. Good.
డిగ్రీ.
Okay. BTech Computer Science.
నో సార్ డిగ్రీ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ సార్.
Okay.
డేటా సైన్స్.
BSc first year data science. Is that correct?
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay. Fine. No problem on that. See, normally you will be given the book called Let Us See. That is a very famous book. Okay. And if you have any questions in that, that's not a problem. And Python is much more simpler. I'm telling you. Okay. Let us see. Okay. I guess this is the book that you are trying to use. One moment, please hold on. So are you able to see my screen, Harshita?
ఎస్ సార్.
So is this the book that you are using?
నో సార్.
No? I would strongly suggest that you use this book.
ఓకే సార్.
Let us see. It is a very, very famous book by Mr. Yashwant Kanetkar. Okay, that's the author's name. And if you want, I can send this book to you. No problem on that.
ఓకే.
Okay, send me your address. I will send you. I'll gift you this book. That's a promise. Okay.
ఓకే సార్.
Send your complete address, but I want some commitment from you. I'm not just gifting it, just like that. The commitment that I need from you is you have to, talk in English. You have to communicate in English only from now. No more Telugu. Is that okay?
ఓకే సార్.
Perfect. Sounds good. See, unless you communicate, you start communicating. So let it be blunders, mistakes, blunders, everything can be corrected. Even I am sitting with Shiva and we are doing a English session also slowly. So he is trying to understand the kind of sentences that I place in my WhatsApp, and then he's now responding rightly. Okay. So we have to communicate in English only. So yeah, please text me your complete postal address and the book will be there. I guess in another week or 10 days it will be there. But C, I can tell you. And I can even see C is much more complicated, I guess, than our Python. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
where are you finding the difficulty in understanding Python? So I have opened Python ideally. Have you installed ideally? Have you installed PyCharm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In
Yes,
C,
sir.
you normally write a code. Okay. It will start with hash include. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Hash include. So normally what it says is, I'm writing it as a comment. So it says hash in include stdio.h. This is a header file, correct?
Yes.
This is how you write. Harshita, is that correct? Harshita, there?
Hi. Hi,
Yeah.
sir.
Is this line correct? Hash stdio.h, correct? And then you will also write hash include and then maybe math.h. There is some other header file. Okay. So like this, you start writing code, correct? And then you compile it, then execute it. Okay. I will also try to install a C compiler in our next session. Let us see what it has to give. Now in Python, you don't need to do that. Okay. You can directly say, suppose if you wanted to add two numbers, okay, A equals 1 and that is one number, B equals 2. Let us assume, take the simplest of the example. Okay, you can say A plus B, that's it. Okay, and you can use print function, print A plus B. Okay, so Python is much simpler. Otherwise, in your C, what you have to write is by print. I guess I'm just A plus B, and then you have to end it with semicolon. Is that correct, Harshita?
Yes, sir.
Is that statement correct? Shiva, is that statement correct? You should have seen that C programming language, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, is that statement correct? Print,
Correct, sir.
print, you can do that, and then you have to place semicolon. If you don't place a
Yes.
semicolon, then that's a syntax error.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but Python is not like that. Python is much simpler than that. Okay, of
Sir,
course, Python has its own disadvantages. That is later. Yeah, you are talking. Yeah, you are telling me something. Please go ahead.
సార్ సిలో ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ యూజ్ చేస్తామేమో కదా సార్
ప్రింట్ అదే printf చేస్తాం. పర్ఫెక్ట్. నేను
Printf,
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ printf చేస్తాం. అది ఒక ఫంక్షన్. printf అన్నది ఒక ఫంక్షన్, కరెక్ట్?
సార్
printf
Okay.
చేస్తాము. That is exactly correct. So now how can you say you don't know C?
సార్ ఐఎమ్ స్వర్ణ సార్ నాట్ హర్షిత.
Who is that?
ఐఎమ్ స్వర్ణ సార్.
Oh, Swarna.
Swarna,
Okay. Harshita, now you are
Yes,
able to see it, the
yes,
advantage.
sir.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what it is all about. See, if you can work with us, I think we can do multiple things. That's not a problem. Okay. So guys, this is just a short introduction, and yeah, Swarna, you have any questions? What questions are there for you?
సార్ మై సెల్ఫ్ స్వర్ణ సార్.
Yeah, please go ahead.
I completed my graduation in BSc Computer Science this year, sir.
Fantastic.
Out.
Mm.
Now I am learning Python from our community guides.
Okay. Which month did
Sir,
you complete? Which month did you complete your graduation, undergraduation? I mean to say.
July, sir. The last month,
Okay.
July.
Okay. And what was your percentage?
రిజల్ట్ అయితే ఇంకే ఇవ్వలేదు సార్. 5th సెమ్ అయితే 9.27 వచ్చాయి సార్.
Super. Okay. So only in English, Swarna, no more Telugu, please. Okay. So we
I
will.
speak in Hindi.
Yeah, you have to speak in English. That's a mandatory thing in this sessions. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, most probably we will, since I have the free version, I'll be closing this this call shortly. We will connect back. Once again, there's a 10-minute gap. Until a 10-minute gap is there, Zoom does not allow me to conduct one more call. Okay. So what are your questions quickly, Swarna? What is that you want me to discuss in this forum?
Okay, sir. Since from last week, I didn't do the code challenges, sir. But
Okay.
the last class, the class number, question number 10th, I tried, sir. I get the
Okay.
result
Okay.
and I send it to Chandu, sir. And
Okay.
the qualification is we have to write a square number by using
Okay.
double star.
Okay.
But the question, we have to use the method.
Okay. Okay.
I know the logic, with the logic, I get the answer, sir. But by
Okay.
using method, I tried in objects classes in this method, but I didn't get the result. I so many times I have getting the indentation error, sir. What is
Okay.
the
Okay.
mistake? I don't.
Okay. Can you send me that code?
Okay, sir.
That PY file, right? You can send me that code. I will just check and revert back to you. Indentation error means that instead of a single tab, somewhere there is double tab or a space towards the beginning of that line. It indicates that. You can send me the screenshots as well as the code. I will quickly,
Okay,
we can quickly do. That's not a problem. Big problem. It is a very, very small, minute problem. Okay.
okay, sir.
So guys, happy to see you all in this. Basically, we are running short because of this license issues. Okay, so we will connect back. Yeah, we will connect back and just check what we can do further. Okay.
Okay.
I will
Okay,
share
sir.
I will share another link also.
Okay, sir.
Give me 10 to 15 minutes. I will complete
Okay,
this and then we will reconnect. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Bye. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Well, you're most
Thank
welcome. Don't forget to share the screenshots and the code on WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In the
Okay, sir.
group. In the group. Let us actively discuss in the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye.